Did you know that Gmail has 1.2 billion active users? Can you imagine what would happen if the email data was temporarily unavailable? Or worse, just lost forever?
No! God, please, no! No!
If you're a business running on Gmail, you might as well shut down shop and declare a holiday. Are you worried yet? If not, let me tell you a little bit more. Hey everyone, I'm Jake from SysCloud, and today I'm going to explain why you should back up your Gmail data. Number 1, accidental deletions. Where there's a human, there's bound to be errors. No matter how vigilant you are, mistakes will happen. This is also the case for accidental deletions. If you delete an email, it'll be removed from the trash after 30 days and deleted forever. Number 2, legal compliance and litigation purposes. Regulations such as the Federal Rules for Civil Procedure and the Sarbanes-Oxley Act have made it compulsory for companies to retain data like documents and emails. If you fail to retain these data, you would face adverse consequences and penalties. Number 3, insider threats and external attackers. Not all threats are external. A disgruntled employee could permanently delete critical data, or an employee might click on a spam email, exposing the entire organization to attackers. If you assume that only large corporations are attacked by ransomware, then you're definitely wrong. That these attackers work non-stop to steal any data, as long as they can profit from it. Number 4, manage employee exits. You don't expect someone to work for you forever, do you? To store their data, you could always keep their email license, but this would inflate your subscription cost for an unused account. So it would be cheaper for you to take a backup and reuse their account license. Number 5, avoid data loss during mergers and acquisitions. A major challenge during mergers and acquisitions is IT integration. If not done right, M&As could cause delays, loss of data, money, and even derail the merger. Have you faced any of these challenges? How did you tackle them? Let us know in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The bottom line, it's better to be safe than sorry. Start your free backup today by clicking on the link given below.